We're now on step 5 of our home addition project. With our footings complete and inspected, we're ready for the next big step: building the cinder block crawl space walls that will support the entire structure. Step 5. Cinder block crawl space wall construction. After the footing inspection has passed, it's time to build the cinder block crawl space walls. These walls support the house and define the crawl space. Step 1. Prep the crawl space. We install a vapor barrier to prevent moisture, ensure proper drainage, and mark the wall layout on top of the footing for perfect alignment. We also plan for the crawl space access door and install openings for vents to allow airflow and prevent moisture buildup. Step 2. Pre-block inspection. Optional. Some counties require an inspection before laying the first course. The inspector checks footing approval, layout, reinforcement placement, and that openings for the door and vents are properly planned. Step 3. Build the walls. We stack the cinder blocks, insert vertical rebar into the hollow cores, and fill them with grout. A reinforcement inspection ensures the blocks are level, grouted properly, and reinforced correctly. Step 4. Final inspection. Once the walls are complete, including the crawl space door frame and vent openings, the inspector verifies height, alignment, grouting, reinforcement, and proper ventilation, ensuring everything meets code. And that's how we construct the cinder block crawl space walls. Strong, level, and ready for the next phase. If you're enjoying this series, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what comes next.